This is one of the interview question. Uh, I want to arrange the IP address in an ascending order. Uh, the output should look like this. If I directly use a sort function, it will not work. It's showing none as an output because there is a special character, a dot, so it's not recognizing. The logic of this program is to like first we have to remove the dot character and then uh, make it as a single element, and then we can easily compare with each, and then we can arrange it in an ascending order. To do that, to remove this dot in each element, I want to iterate each element. I can iterate each IP address. You can see here. I want to remove this dot. So in string we have a split function. It will help us to remove this dot. I want to remove this dot. So I mentioned dot here. Yes. I'm getting a list where dot is removed here. Now again I want to merge it. I want to make it 20, 40, 62. I want to make it into a single number. So I will assign this into a one variable. To make it one element, I want to iterate once again this A. I will take one empty string here. Why I am writing empty string here? Because first it will first it will iterate this first element. Then again it will check for second element. It will iterate second element. If I write empty string here, once it's done, like if I write string here, empty string here, even if I write give any condition here, first it will check for 20, then again it will become empty string, and again it will check for 40, then again it will become empty string. That I don't want. I want complete this string should be this complete element should be merged. So I can't write here. If I want to do this, I want only this element means that's the reason I'm writing here, because first element will be this, second element will be this. If I write here, then first element will be 20, second element will be 40. Now, what is I? I means 20, 40, 60. We'll take. Look, 20, 40, 60, 2. So if I write empty string here, what happens? Every time after 20 it will become empty string, after 40 it will become empty string, after 60 it will become empty string. That's the reason I am writing empty string here. I want to add this 20 into this string. This string is empty, so first it will add 20, then again it will add 40, then again it will add 60, then it will add 2, then complete of iteration, then again for it will enter in for loop, second element. The second element will be 10 10.183.50.255. Again it will be like 10 183 50. It keeps on adding 10 183 50 255 as an individual element. If I print st here, can see. This is what I'm expecting output. This is one method to achieve this. And one more method is there to get the same output like this. I will just remove this. If I print here, I am getting output like this. I just want to join these elements. So I use the join function. One more function is there, join function. The same result I will get if I do like this also. This is a second method. It's compared to that, it will be easy. And you are eliminating 3 to 4 lines by doing this. If I write this print outside this for loop, I will get only last element as output. So what I should do, I want to append it, each element I want to append. So I will create one more empty list, and I will append this element into B dot. What this append will do, append will keep on adding the elements to B, adding each element to B. So if I print B, you can see list of numbers. Okay, now I got the output like this. Now I can easily sort it, arrange it in a ascending order. I can arrange this an ascending order, but I can't arrange this as an ascending order. It will be a very useful, like many questions will come, uh, sort the numbers and all. So this is how we sort the numbers. And in many problems we use this method because in interview they will ask us to not to use the inbuilt function sort method. So we can use this method. Uh, for I in range len of b. Len of b means the length of b. Length of b is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the length. So if I print I, you will not get 4 here because because the number starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Number starts from 0, so it usually 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 elements are there. Now I want to compare this element. This is the 0th index. First iteration is 0. But before finishing this first iteration, I want to compare these three. And the next iteration is first index. Before ending this iteration, I want to compare these two iterations with this. So it is possible with using one more for loop. If I is 0 means I want to add it with 1. So I'm adding it with 1. Whenever I write this, this is a starting value, and len of p is my stop value. It will go, as I told, it will go like 0, 1, 2, 3. Not the total length is 4, but still it will go till 3 because it will start from 0. we can write 1 also. This is a step. Even if we didn't mention, then also it will work fine. If I write number here, it will keeps on adding 1 till this stop value reached. Now not required because it automatically adds 1. No need to mention. To understand this, if I print I comma j, look, 0 is this zeroth index is comparing it with the first index, second index, and third index. Then first index. This first index is comparing it with second index, and first index is comparing it with third index. Then second index is comparing it with third index. This is what I am trying to achieve. So now I will compare it. If b of 0 b of I is greater than b of j. What I am doing now, b of I means b of 0 is the first element. This b of j means 1. I am comparing these two, and if it's greater than, then I want to swap it. Then again, whatever the output I got from whatever the if I am swapping means this second element I want to compare it with this here. Then again I want to compare it with this. If it's greater means I want to swap it. That's it. Then again the same number will compare this. First it will compare with this. It will swapping happen. Then this number will be compare it with this. Swap happens, and again this number will be compared with this. How to swap b of I comma b of j is equal to b of j comma b of I. It will swap. B of I comma b of j should become b of j comma b of I. Now if I print b, b element is arranged in an ascending order. Before b looks like this, similar to this 20, 40, 62, 10, 1, 8, 3, 5, 0, 2, 55, 3, 0, 6, 0, 9, 3. Now b is after this sorting, the b is arranged in ascending order. But both before B was in the same order, like same elements, but dot is not there. The same index number. So when I'm sorting this, I can sort when I'm sorting this, I can sort this IP address too. I is just a zero index number, so I will mention I. J is also an index number. If this is greater than along with this B, I want to sort it this also. Instead of printing B, I will print L. Look, now IP address is in a ascending order. This is what expected result. Means I am expecting. Output is matching. You can remove this line too. It will work. I am comparing. What I am doing is I am comparing. 1 minute. This is B element. I am comparing this. Anyhow, the index value will be same because I made this by removing this dot. So the index value will be remain same. So while comparing, I am swapping this number. I'm comparing this B. I can't compare this IP address, but I can compare this numbers. Only numbers I can compare. So I can compare this B variable. I can compare this B variable, and if this is greater than this number is greater than this, then I want to swap this IP address. This is what the logic is. Now output is also we got a desired output. That's it.